Hi guys, this is the channel headboard that I'll be working on. So you want to cut the foam to the size of your channel. My channel is 8 inches, so my foam is 8 inches as well. So I'll be spraying on the foam and the wood. I like to use a thin layer of fiber so it gives it a nice soft feel to it. So the fiber I'll be cutting a little bit bigger so it wraps all around the foam. Now I'm just pushing it tight to the foam. Now I'm looking for my mark and then I'm just gonna staple it down. So I'm gonna staple the edge here. I'm gonna stretch it out and staple it down so you don't see the staple marks. So right now I'm just making sure I'm pushing the fiber inside and I'm not stapling it. I always like to lock a few staples first before I staple it all down. As I'm working, I'm always making sure the fabric is pushed down tight to see if the line is straight. The leftover fabric here on top, I like to cut it out. It makes it a lot thinner and it's easy to fold. And on the ends, you don't want to pull it too tight or else it will flatten the edge. On the bottom part, I like to cut the foam even with the wood and it makes it a lot easier to work. On the top part, I'm cutting even with the wood. I'm just gonna lock a few staples first, and once I like everything, I'm gonna staple it down. So I'm gonna be locking where the seam is. It makes it a lot easier. And here's how the finished piece looks like. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share it with your friends.